Welcome crafters, Michelle here. I have a beautiful Dollar Tree fall centerpiece for you today. Now this is very budget friendly and a great way to dress up your table for fall. Let me show you how to make it. For our base, you're going to need one of the glass vases that you can find at Dollar Tree. Now I really like this style, but you can choose whichever ones are available in your store. It just needs to be large enough that you can put a candle in the center. You're also going to need a package of their floral foam, and this is 4 pieces at 1.5 inches at 2.6 for $1.25, and a charger plate. Now if you can only find the long ones in your store, or you only find those that you like, you can also do this with that. You just need to make a little bit of adjustment when you're placing your bases. But I found this and I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I love how they did the rim on this. I'm going to be using 3 pieces of the floral foam. Now I just took a small dowel rod, I cut it into 4 pieces. This is just going to help me keep everything together. Enjoying today's content? Would you like to see more? Make sure to subscribe, and when the notification bell pops up, if you hit that, YouTube will let you know when I upload new content. And now I'm just going to take this and hot glue it to my base. You can find a full supply list in the description box below. Now this is not going to be a permanent hold. Hot glue does not glue well onto these chargers, and it also does not hot glue well onto glass. Now I went ahead and washed this and removed the sticker off of the bottom. This is just going to hold it in place. It's not going to be loose, so when I move it around and as I'm working on it, it's not going to come apart on me. Okay, so our base is ready. Now I do want to put a candle inside, a real one, so I'm going to fill the bottom of the vase with some sand. I picked this up at Dollar Tree. It's over in their floral department. Just shake it till it gets level. I have it just to the base of where the round part of the vase comes. That way I know it can handle the candle that I put inside. Okay, so we're ready to start adding our florals. And I picked up several of these picks. They come from Dollar Tree. You can use any of the florals that you can find at Dollar Tree. They have so many. I like to work with the picks because they usually have a nice variety already. So you just want to kind of open it up, bend your flowers a little bit so you can see them all. Of course, let's remove the tag. Okay, so that's really pretty. Now because this is a centerpiece, it's not going to go outside, at least I'm not planning on putting it outside. I am not going to glue things in because I'm going to want to take this apart after the holiday. And I'm just going to take these and I'm going to start putting them in. I do have about 6 or 7 of these. I picked up several, and I do have a few other florals in case I need to fill in anywhere. Dollar Tree has such a wide variety of fall florals to choose from. They do sell picks, but those do tend to go quickly. So if your store is out of them, just go over to the regular floral section and pull some beautiful fall florals to fill your base. You can do a mixture of fall leaves and florals. They even have some stems with beautiful berries and acorns on them. All of those would work perfectly well for this centerpiece. Use what's available to you in your stores. Okay, so that's looking good so far, but I want to add a little bit of a different color. So I have this stem with these really pretty green leaves on it and some berries. I'm not going to use the one with the gourd. I'll probably cut that off and just use the leaves. But I want to add a little bit more darker green. And then I also have a couple stems of this All of these florals came from Dollar Tree. This is called a silver dollar. It's in the fall section. And then this one is called a maple bouquet. So to get these ready, I'm just going to cut, I'm going to leave a couple inches there. I can always cut that shorter. I have my pieces cut, and I went through and fluffed out and moved around my blooms until I was happy. Now these I'm going to feed in kind of around the bottom. I just want them peeking out here and there just to add a little bit more depth. Now I have 2 with berries and 4 just leaves. I'm going to add these, and these I'm going to add wherever I need to kind of help cover any of the floral foam. When picking out your florals, just have fun with it. Choose florals and colors that suit your home. You can also add pumpkins, acorns, or some small pretty bows. Use the materials that are available to you in your stores. Make it your own, and remember, have fun. I did go and refluff, and I added one more stem of the fall silver dollars. It needed a little bit more breaking up of the orange. I'm really happy with it now. All you have to do is add a little candle. I just bought little votive candles, and of course I cannot find them, so I'm just going to drop a little tea light in there so that you get the idea. But very quick and easy, inexpensive, and everything came from Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. It lets YouTube know that I have content that's worth watching, and then they share it with more people and my channel grows. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you're looking for more fall content, you can click into my playlist right here. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking right down here. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.